I'm gonna make some string. See, look at that size. Hey, what?
What happened to you? Drink water. You want to drink water?
No, fine. Can you get that? Can you get those? You should take better care of your thing.
Hey.
I'm just saying.
I need G.
Dream. Green.
House.
Green.
Jilana say house.
Say how.
Jilana, sit down on the table. They don't see you. Sit down on the table.
There's JILANA. There's your lips. And Jolene, makes your lips taste good. Lips taste good. Oh. How far I'll go.
Okay, let me see your lips.
I want to use it.
Let me see your lips.
Let's watch this. I do not like how they make the cutouts like this. I'm making a private jet on the island. Look at the private jet. There's a private jet on the island. I'm gonna make a crab.
Swerve when I did. Swerve.
Can I use this? I'll make blue ones, okay? Is that fine? Oh, should I make purple ones? It's fine.
What happened?
What happened, Mama? Oh, I'll get it.
Swerve when I did.
All gone.
What happened to your voice? She lost her voice.
I'm making her big lips. I'm making her purple lips. Now it goes Jolene. That's what he said. Your beauty is beyond the world can take. That's how the song goes.
Jolene, get feet.
Hey, that's not nice.
I'm just saying, just because I can.
With my pain.
I'm recognizing, praying,
Oh, I don't want it. I mean, I don't want it.
What happened?
Lips.
Hey, no fighting.
No. It's right here. No.
What happened?
My crab. She broke my. Oh, I made you purple. It looks like someone just punched your lips, right? Okay. Purple.
There's
lips.
one here. Is that different?
No.
You guys don't like that? That's a
No,
purple.
you can share it. I can have some crab, and then you can have. Can I use this, JILANA?
No.
She's making noodles.